Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by inspecting the clock on the wall and gathering parts so you don't stop mid-repair. Once done, remove the clock carefully. Support the case with one hand and lift straight off the hanger to avoid bending hands. Make sure to note orientation and how the hanger sits in the slot because that determines balance later. You want a clear workspace, a fresh battery on hand, and the correct size screwdriver. This speeds the repair and prevents damage. Once you have the case open, expose the quartz movement and identify the battery clip or module. You should remove the old battery with pliers and install the new one, testing that the second hand moves. If not, swap the movement. Make sure hands are parallel and not touching glass. If they touch, bend the minute or hour pinion slightly to create clearance. Also verify hanger integrity and that the movement is seated square. This ensures accurate timekeeping and stable mount. You reassemble and put the clock back on its wall hanger, making sure it sits centered and true. Use a level to verify. Once hung, set the time and observe for a few hours to confirm steady ticks and correct minute advancement. If something goes wrong, make sure battery polarity is correct, hands are not rubbing, and the movement is firmly seated. If the clock still stops, replace the entire movement module. That fixes most persistent problems quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.